Hey Scout, how you
Hey
doing?
Nick, how are you?
Good, good.
Thanks for watching over the chickens for me.
Sure.
Yeah.
Anything I should know?
Well, the white chicken can be pretty weird. She gets kind of violent around men, but I don't think it will be a problem for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm pretty effeminate anyway, so
Right, yeah, they might just mistake you for a woman anyway.
it happens all the time. What? What do you want? What, you want a piece of me? What you got? What are you, chicken?
Hi Nick.
Oh, hey Scout, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, welcome back from vacation.
Thanks. How'd it go?
It was good. There was a little problem. The white bird disappeared.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. I came one day and she was just not here anymore.
Well, it could have been a hawk or something.
Yeah,
That happened to the
definitely.
other bird, but I mean, it's not your fault.
Who's the chicken now, huh? Delicious.